Mugamba Mutiyali Kuno, Musubire nti muli bulungi. Atusembesa bashayalinge, Honorable Joel Ssenyonyi anonye Empapula. Azze n'omubaka n'obeera ne Meya Nakawa, n'ajja ne Honorable Waiswatu obeera Nakawa. Abe Nakawa bonna bamuwerekedde abagenda okugirako abaagala kaadi eyo eya National Unity Platform. Olivia Katende.
Njagala kanzire wano ewali essimu yange.
Njirira kubundi eno bantu. Liz nayo bali kubeerako mukwano Liz wange hawayo nsharingirako mutagingire ku banno bajje lw'okwanoonya empapula.
Yeah, like you have been informing you members that when you make a booking with us, to spare time, don't think that some officials are treated differently. No, they made a booking, and that's why, because this is the exact time that you book them in, so that's why you're going to have to order them accordingly. So please just be patient with us. Yes, Honorable Lopan and the team, please come over. You have signed in the book? Yes? Yeah. She wants to hand over the copy. Me wants to hand over the copy. Formally. Let the people believe that he has submitted his papers. Yes, you are most welcome, our leaders. Yes. I need you over to the rope. Here, you tell us why you are here. And then finally do a certain activity of submitting some registers if you have them. You're most welcome.
Thank you, Madam Chair and members of the Election Management Committee. My name is Joel Ssenyonyi. I represent the people of Nakawa West in Parliament and a few other responsibilities that I have in the party and at Parliament. I am here to officially express interest to vie for the seat of Nakawa West Member of Parliament again. That's why I'm here. I've carried all the relevant documents that I will be submitting to you. I thank you.
Yes, please go ahead and submit to the chair. Yes, very okay. Very okay indeed.
Honorable Chair and Commissioners, my name is Alex Waiswatu from Biro. I am here to express interest and return forms of the National Unity Platform to vie for the position of Member of Parliament of Nakawa East Constituency. I look forward to serving the people under the umbrella of the National Unity Platform, and I'm here to comply and align myself to the rules of engagement of delivering the necessary documents that will uphold my candidature and hold the flag like many others. I so submit.
Yes, you're most welcome. Please hand it over to the next member.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Chairperson of the Electoral Management Committee and all the members. And by the names Buken Ali, Nubian Lee, and I head the Arts, Sports and Culture Department. And today I'm here to submit my forms expressing interest for the position of Mayor Nakawa, and all the requirements as asked. I have them here and ready to serve.
Right.
Thank you.
And I think hand them over. That's that from one of the hand them over to the chair. Then Honorable Mufubiro also present them over. The chair receives them. Yeah, from there, shall be registering for members of parliament and for mayors. Mr. Secretary, can you please give us a book for the mayors, state division mayors, where they are supposed to sign?
Please wait for it.
Yeah, this is what we have been doing about that. You must submit these originals if you're a member of parliament for all at A level, if you wish to submit those that plenary requirement. So we hand over the originals back to you. From the West. Yes, so now you hand over to the chair. When you have, I can say, basket of documents, of qualifications. Stepla.
Honorable Ssenyonyi azze tugamba Nakawa Yona, Nakawa East, Nakawa West azze nabo najja ne meeya we agenda okukiikirira Nakawa. Honorable Meeya Nubia naye agenda okukiikirira Nakawa.
Yeah, but I think whenever Ssenyonyi is overqualified for the job, in terms of documents here, you can see he's bringing all the originals and he has gone to a number of schools, so, and in colleges and universities. Yes, thank you very much. Now you can get photocopies of those documents. Then the originals will be handed over to you by the chair. You hand over the originals.
agambye Nakawa gyagenda okujja ndowooza mulabye banali bawayiswa oyo ye amaze okufuna okujja okuba nti nno babasunsula ku bagenda okusunsulamu oba ayitawo okuba nno afuna kaadi
tambula kimwe bannange
uyo kati abuuza kuba naye swagula kati bwenzijjako kagenda zikira maama kagenda zikira nolumbera simu olumanyi lwakubeerako ng'olutaddeko onalaba wayiswa tubi ye amaze okugira empapula ze katulinde tulabe banaaba bamusunsudde oba anaaba nti afuna kaadi tennagabibwa naye nga ye amaze okuteekayo ebibyo ekiwulidde ekintu ekyo Nakawa mbaka bwe tunaleba oluupu oyo naye ayimiridde okumukwasa empapula ze eluupu naye oyo ayimiridde okumukwasa empapula ze zendi ku kamera
bali erimu
yena mbaganyo baganda bange mwenna abebifaananyi ne bajja kumbira bakibazeeri kati bagenda
wali abebifaananyi ate gwe olina ekifaananyi kyokuagala bakuba ebifaananyi omugongo.
I can tell you that you qualify for the position of Member of Parliament, and we are looking forward to hearing from you again. We are going to communicate to you our next process. This does not confirm you as a flag bearer of NUP, but this is just the initial process. So you're duly nominated. As you return your expression of interest comes to us. So I wish you luck as you go through the other program.
Empapula akomezaawo nkomye akomezaawo empapula
Yeah, honorable seats in the meantime. Here now another. You remember, as colleagues allow us, she was part of the team. When Olive Nabas, please come over immediately. I can say you are about to be late, but you have finally found the team around. So I'll give you a few minutes to wait for you, then you work on it very fast.
Honorable Puke Ali, we have received your documents. We tell you that you qualify for the position. You're going to wait for us to communicate to you the next step. This does not make you a flag bearer of NUP at the moment, but we shall communicate to you the initial stages. Thank you so much and best of luck.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. I want to please introduce yourself. The Honorable Member of Parliament for Nakawa has just submitted his papers. The Honorable Member of Nakawa, another Nakawa has submitted. That's Parliament Mayor has submitted. Now you are part of the team of George and the books with them. Introduce yourself and submit the papers.
Thank you, Chairperson. My name is Olive Namazi, and I'm the LC5 Councillor for Nakawa A. I am here to submit my papers to hold our flag in the 2026 elections as the woman councillor for LC5 Nakawa West constituency.
Please go ahead and submit your papers to the chairperson of the AMC.
Chairperson, please allow me to humbly submit my papers.
kati bwe baba omulabe tobuuza nti ate ono kyenzenga bwebanya Nakawa. Asubira bakulu mu balabe. Uya bamusaba wuyo ndowooza mubalazeeko. Mulimu mumusaba wuyo. Mumwetwalire. Bansabasaba.
Yeah, thank you, Lop, and your team. We hope you are handled well and wait to hear from us as we are waiting from the chair. We shall definitely communicate. Good luck and all the best. Blessings, you don't know. Our members of parliament who are here, please come over. When you make a booking, we spare time for you guys. Yeah, please be from the way. You're feeling it that way. You're very good to fast. They say that you can leave. Please introduce yourself.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Bagambe basembere.
Let's press a little. Let's do a bigger circle. Let's make ready? Yeah. People power. NUP everywhere.
Motivu bela mune simu yona fetukole.
Simu unjikwadirawo. Awalikiriye.
Ndikiriya ate no yanye ndala. Nze siri. Eyo yanye sikiriza honale.
Yageto TV berawo.
Jona sikiriza honale.
Ono nayo omukazi anonye ekyatusumbuwa.
Kulembeze sebo to. Ready. Steady. Camera ready. Uganda.
Okay, olwaleero tuze team Nakawa ze ne bannange nze nesimbyewo Nakawa West, Honorable Waiswa Alex Mufumbiro yesimbyewo Nakawa East, Honorable Ali Buken abangi gwe bamanyi nga Nakawa. Tuze tutambula bulungi, of course tulina bannaffe abalala abavuganya ku bifo byebimu era nga nabo tetubalinamu buzibu. Tuze wano ku kitebe okweyanjula eri ekitebe nga bwe twakirambika obulungi nti yekwanyiza ekifo kyonna alina okujja neyeyanjula eri akakiiko aka Election Management Committee, era nga alina okulaga nti ebisanyizo byonna birina, era mutulabe ne zifayire ennene nga zifayire ezo zibaddemu amabaluwa agalaga ebyobuyigiriza ebyaffe, kubanga kikulu munnange abantu ne bamanya nti okwesimbawo kuno ebisanyizo tubirina, era buli kimu kiriyokera. Twebaza akakiiko, mulaba bakola mukisa eggwanga ne lintegeera, obaoli awo bangi temwali ntegedde wano mu kibiina nga spokesperson eri mu parliament. We nasooka okutuukayo ne bampa akakiiko akakosase kakulembera enkulembera bannange obuvunanyizibwa bwe twakwasaganya mwabulaba, era waayitawo emyaka 2.5 bannange ne bagamba nti tukulabyemu obusobozi katukulinnyisa eddaala nenfuuka leader of opposition mu parliament nga nkulembera bannange abali ku saidi emu. Okugezesebwa kubadde kungi, okusomooza kubadde kungi, aboogera babadde bangi, naye weetuli twebaza Katonda ntisobodde okuweereza era tukyaweereza. Obuvunanyizibwa obw'okulondoola emirimu gavumenti giteekako akazito okulaba nti ssente w'omusolo ekozesebwa bulungi, okulaba nti obuweereza bubeerawo n'ensonga zonna ze tubaddeko. Abatukanyugidde ebifunfugu muze mubalaba. Of course omuti oguliko emboona gwe bakanyugira ebifunfugu, gwe bakanyugira amayinja n'ebirala bwe bityo. So ebyo nze tebintiisa, era abamu baali balowooza nti Ssenyonyi ono tunamunyenyaamu naki, ajja kukakkana, ajja kulekeraawo okwogera ku rugby, ajja kulekeraawo okugamba Prime Minister muweereze bannayuganda n'ebirala bwe bityo, naye tetugenda kulekeraawo. Tukomyewo nga tusaba abantu ba Nakawa West nga bwe baakola luli balabye obuweereza, era nkakasa nina essuubi nti bajja gamba nti ate ku luli twali tugezesanga ne tunnategeera ebya politics bikwasaganya otya, naye kaakati balabyeko era eyo gye mpita mbayitamu ne bagamba ho kiyitirivu kyogolola batukomyewo olunaku olwaleero. Lwaki twakirekutte ki?